Hey DIYers! So today we are doing a DIY haul. Wait, what? Yeah, we are doing a haul on some DIY stuff that I got for DIYing. Enough said there. Okay, I should shut up now. Okay, so let's get into the video. The first thing I got was these pliers. As you can see, they are Lure DIY pliers for crafting. I think they're super cute. I love the colors. They're amazing. The second thing I got were the Lure DIY pom-poms. The pom-pom trim. Awesome. Avi. The next thing I got was the X-Acto knife. Cause, let's be real, you gotta have an X-Acto knife for crafts. The next thing I got was more of a Christmas gift, but I got this cactus pencil pouch for my niece. And then I got a cord for my camera. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become part of the Uniqueen fam. And comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Stay flawless.